Okay, so we got the lesson for 3-7. Apparently, it just would not work yesterday. I've actually had to add on to this, okay, because I was missing something. There is an updated PDF in the materials section if you want to look at it. So I know you guys attempted to do this yesterday, but I'll go over this with you guys and we'll go over it step by step on what you have to do. This is calculating your average daily balance. So again, let's go over some terms over here at the beginning. Okay, so one, of course, your average daily balance, just basically on a daily, what is your average balance? Okay, the credit calendar is how you calculate the average daily balance using the credit card is your credit calendar. And of course, the billing date, and you will see here is, oops, when it actually is starting. Okay, that is when it starts from the billing and so forth. Okay, so here we're gonna, here's the things that we have: transactions, debits, payments, all that's in there. Okay, so we'll go through these things and how you fill it out, because when you get a credit card statement, this is how they're going to charge you. Okay, so let's take a look over here. It says use the information given on Elena's credit card statement to verify the accuracy of her average daily balance. Okay, so let's take a look at step one. Okay, we've got our blank sheet in here, and we are drawing these grids, which is already on there. The book has you draw arcs on the corner, which is what we'll do. So we got the boxes. We want to draw arcs on the corner. You don't really have to, but this is, I guess, just to make things work out. So arcs on the corner. Okay. Yeah, you don't really have to. Okay. So step two is, instead you can find the number of days in the billing cycle is 31. Okay. So if you look here, the number of days in the billing cycle is 31. Okay, so that means there's going to be 31 days that are in there. This box has 35 total in there. So what we're going to do is we're going to take off 4 of these days, because we have only 31 days in the billing cycle. So we took off 4 days. Okay. And next we're going to enter the billing date. Oops. We're going to enter the billing date in the corner section of the last day of the calendar. So we are entering going to enter billing date, and the billing date is 11/13, and we're going to put in the last corner. Okay, so right here, this last corner, 13th. Okay, and then we're just going to number backwards. So 13th, so this is November 12th, 11th, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And October has 31 days, so this is the start of November. So 31, 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14. So that means on the 14th of October, that's when everything will start. Okay? So here, we're now at step 4, and where we're going to look at the posted dates of each of the charges, which is our debits, put a plus sign, and charge them out on the calendar that have debts posted. Okay, so we'll put a plus sign when we had our charges. So what's happening is this. Okay, October 25th, we had a $67 charge. So let's look at October 25th, and that's a plus 67. Okay, and then October 29th, we had a $55 charge. So plus 55. Okay, and then we had a payment on November 5th. So that's a negative since it's a payment, November 5th, and that is for $160. Okay, that's this right here. So 3, enter debits / credits. All right. We're now moving over to step 5. Okay. And it says the first day of billing cycle is October 14th. The previous balance, okay, the previous balance was $829.30. Okay, that's the previous balance. This new one starts, the 14th is the first day of this billing cycle. So we're going to enter the balance on October 14th. And notice that Elena made no purchases or payments until October 25. So on each day from October 14th to the 24th, the daily balance is $829. So right here, step 5, enter balance October 14th, and it's going to go all the way up until the first actual debit, which was October 25th. So we'll look here. The 14th was 829.30, and that's going to go all the way. You could fill out each one all you want, or you just put these arrows on there. Doesn't matter. Okay. So now what happens on the 25th, you made a purchase of $67. Okay, so what happens here, so we put a purchase, $67. Okay, we're going to add that to our 829.30, and that'll give us our new balance of $896.30. So this is $896.30. That continues on 896, 896.30. Okay. So now we're at the 29th. So we're going to add, we've got 800, here's our daily balance right now. We're going to add $55 to that. And that's going to equal $951.30. Okay. So here, $951.30. That goes all the way to November 4th. And now we're going to subtract 160 because we made a payment. So 951.30 minus 160 is 791.30. Okay. And then from there, we didn't charge or make any payments, and that goes all the way through to the 13th. Okay. So step 8. Okay. So step 8, we're going to find the average daily balance. Okay. So we're going to add all the balances and divide by the number of the billing cycle. Okay, so the sum of the daily balances. All right, so we got to add up all of the balances. So the best thing to do is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We'll take we've got $829.30. And we had that for 10 days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11. 11 days actually. So we've got $829.30. And we're going to multiply that by 11. Oops. And that is $9,122.30. And then we're going to add the next balance, which is 896. $896.30, and we had that for 1, 2, 3, 4. Multiply that by 4. Equals $3,584. Okay. And then we had 951 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. $951.30, and we had 8 days of that. And that equals $7,610.40. And then we made a payment. We had $791.30, and that was for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It was 9. 791.30 times 9, and that equaled $7,121.70. Okay, and we'll add those all together. 9122.30 plus 3584 plus 951.30. Oops, wrong one. 7610.4 plus 7121.7. And something's wrong with my getting way more than what they had here. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 829.30. Oops, that's the reason why. Plus 896.30 times 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 951.30 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 plus 791.30 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this will give us a total of 26488.30, and I made a calculation over there, and we're going to divide it by 31. So that gives us an average daily balance of $854.46. And that's what we're going to be using to determine our finance charges. Okay, so this is the average daily balance right here. All right. So that leaves us a part 2. Define the finance charges for Elena's billing cycle. Okay. So what we're going to do is we've got the balance. We're going to take our balance times the monthly rate. So we have our balance of $854.46 times, what's our interest rate? We're getting charged 16.98. So, but it's got to be a monthly rate, so we take 16.98%, divide that by 12. 16.98 divided by 12. So we'll get 854.46 times 0.01415. Okay. And that is going to equal 12.09. Okay, so the finance charges, okay, for that month is $12.09. Okay. You know, it's a lot of money going out. Imagine when it gets to even more thousands. So $12.09. All right. So, okay. The last one. Okay. This is a new one on here. And I'm going to stop this video for right now because I can only load videos for so long. And then this one will be a separate one. Okay? I'll re-record another one and send that in a bit. Okay, so just hold on for the next video.